Hello everyone, I'm Georgia Sweeting from Total Telecom and we're here at Connected Britain Day 1 at the Excel in London. I'm joined by Jérôme Cousin from Commscope. Jerome, thank you so much for joining me. Are you having a good time at Connected Britain so far?
Yeah, we have. As I say, Commscope is second participation and I would say it's promising. We saw a lot of people and the level of participants is good. So yeah, we have good expectation.
Great. And let's jump straight in then to addressing the digital divide. We see it a lot in the UK market, and how are Commscope specifically helping to deal with it?
Okay, well, the digital divide, it's a challenge by itself because we need to provide a total access connectivity, and it can be done through wireless or wireline broadband solutions. And we need to deliver that all the time, wherever we are and whatever we are doing. So that's, I would say, this is the digital inclusion that it is a challenge, but it's a challenge all over the world. It's a challenge in UK as well, so that's it's not making a big difference. Providing a digital access is complex. It's, I would say, expensive as well. It depends on the local regulation. It depends on the, I would say, on the constraint that you can face. So I would say it's true wherever you are, in the urban, suburban, or even in the rural area. So that's now the solution cannot be only based on the let's say the infrastructure itself. Okay, it's not just a layer of cables or building. I would say antennas. It's as well a mix with a level of service that you are providing in order to make sure that you can provide a full digital access to everybody. So that's the thing. Now, what we notice is in UK, massive investment has been made so far, and we consider that in UK there is a good trend to deliver this digital I would say requirements to the people. So, and I think that phones have been put, especially with the gigabit program, and we noticed some I would say slowdown this year in 2023, but there is good expectation that in 2024 we will be back to a better, I would say, environment to make business. That's right. Now in Commscope we definitely work closely with the incumbents and the as well the I would say the altnets in order to provide solution answers to their needs, and yeah, we are working in that direction. So.
Great. And then just talking about fibre rollout, it comes with its challenges. It's often slow and costly. So what can be done to speed it up and make it a bit cheaper?
Well, it's building an infra. You need to consider several parameters, and it could be very decisive if your project is going to be viable or not. Okay, so we need to consider a lot of things: the cost of the investment that you need to do, but as well the speed of development. Installing an FTTH, I would say. Infrastructure, you are facing a lot of constraints, and these constraints could be the environmental reasons, but as well if you have labor in order to deploy, and the level of skills of this labor. So that's the main challenge that we have anywhere, but specifically as well in UK. And Commscope, we try to develop solution in order to help, again, contractors to a little bit minimize those constraints. So that's
And so just more generally, what can we do to help with the labour shortages and costs, do you think?
In UK, labor cost is expensive. We are saying that it's 3-4 times more expensive than compared to certain European countries. And the way to minimize this impact is to go through, I would say, innovative solution, which I would say minimize the impact on your project. So you need to deliver creative technology. Pre-connectorized solutions are part of them, that give you a chance to industrialize the solution and to minimize the installation cost on the field. So by definition, you are somehow securing your budget for that. So, and in Commscope, we are really proud to be one of the unique supplier able to provide such solution in the market, and that's this is what we are looking for. We build solution in order to provide broadband to everyone, everywhere. So that's the thing.
Jerome, thank you so much for taking the time to speak to me today, and I hope you have a great time in the rest of Connected Britain.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.